Hey guys, welcome back the channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam Cloud Sync error. So first of all, open the Steam app and select Steam from the top menu, then open Settings. Then go to the Cloud section and make sure the option to enable Steam Cloud is turned on. Close the settings and return to your library. Click the game that is showing the error and select Properties, then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish, then close the window and launch the game to check if the issue is resolved. If you're still seeing the Steam Cloud Sync error, then open Steam Settings again, then go to Downloads and find the Clear Download Cache option. Click Clear Cache and confirm your choice. After this, you'll need to sign back into your Steam account. If the problem continues, restart your computer and try launching the game again. These steps should help resolve the Steam Cloud Sync error. If this video helped you, so please like and subscribe for more helpful tips, and thanks for watching.